What's up mga kasprit? May napost na din ako kanina. Ito pa isa. Galing Deca developer siya. Clue ko yun Clue na yan, clue. Tapos, may zombie. Galing Deca din, Deca yan, Deca. Basta. Zombie kalaban ko dun. Paalam. And subscribe. Hi guys. Hi. Welcome back sa mga kaspi. Welcome back sa panibagong video. Nagkaroon tayo isang libot game na tinatawag na Zombie Catchers. Developer din ng gaya ng Zombie Catchers. So, ng mga pwede pa na Deca. Yan ang tao. Deca. Na pangalawang Deca na to. Pangalawa po paglaro ng developer gamit ng Deca. Oh, nagsimula tayo. Let's go. Oh boy, our new freshness is good for selling like hotcakes. If you are going to make a new batch, we're going to need more ingredients. You know what told her? That yung happy customer engine. Engine tawag sa kanya. Let's go to find the wrong material. What out to this farm? Let's practice catching with the dummy first. Tutorial tayo. Ito. Ang galing. Kukuhain niya na. Yan. Good job, AJ. Now let's say the some fresh meat. Ito lang. Totoo na to. Here we are. The zombie are hiding in the swamp. You need to use the veins to lure in. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Ganun lang. And on this one. Kailangan double kill. Ang galing mo. Ayan. Amazing happen with AJ. Let's head back to drive-thru. Drive-thru daw. Tutorial tayo. Let's catching back there AJ. But the real worst feelings here. These little dudes look juicy and ready for some squeezing action. Dito na tayo gagawa ng juice. This is where the magic happens, ready to get juice out. But the zombies create the squeeze automatic. Oh wait. Here and get happy. Take your time, no pressure. Kailangan matakpong ko ulit. Level 2. Medyo ko na tayo ito. Button yung tawag dito. Button yun. Tapos is-second start. Try to keep the things out the notch and invest in some new technology. And the equipment shop and buy adequate with the hard and points. Some research to tutor nyo dalawa na yung tutor nyo natin. Program yun. To scan swamp on activity. Let's go to check it out. Pond. This is the move up. Here goes signal. And hide it there. Check mo na doon to circuit. Nasa tutorial pa lang tayo guys. Hindi pa tayo na. Uli ay. Uli. Kainin mo yung utak niyo. Kainin. Double kill. Double kill guys. Kita na ang ating ano. Hi Jay. I have a good feeling about this team. I know about this already. Looking so much more profitable than our last business. Immediately. Now let's keep it things rolling and take this business to next level. Check it out. The activation over here. The more you complete, the bigger the reward. Magano na lang tayo. Hintay na lang tayo ng 4. Level 4 na tayo guys. Let's go. Oh, may product na tayo. May bagong zombie na tayo. May tutorial pa tayo. May bagong presents. Kainin mo yung utak mo. Yan. Kainin mo utak mo. Dapat kinakain mo. Nangagat siya. Ganun lang yung diba siya? Nakakaidag pa tayo. Di kayo makakatakas sa akin. Huwag na kayong humalap makatakas. Tapos okay. Lemon zombie slashy zombie. Okay. Cat zombies. Ayos. Huli. Kahit nakarang mo ito. Lamlamin mo. Paano ka pa yun? Tangka pa kayo tumakas. Paano kayong tangka tumakas? Bibili na tayo. Figures. Machine. Self-flashing and slightly radioactive. Hey, it's not more dangerous than microwaving your dance inside your stomach. Nilagay na tayo na. Pwede na siya upgrade. You can upgrade wizard generator to better product of the zombies. Take a look. Magkano? 20. Zombies tayo. Ulit tayo na zombies ulit. din yung bat. Ay, palagi may armor. Huli. Hindi ka din. Ay, ay, nahuli ko. Ayaw ang panghuli Huli. Huli ko nga. Merang up din pala. Merang up din pala. Na-enjoy ako guys Sana kayo mag-enjoy din kayo sa mga video ko. Sa Stickboy Legacy ko, sa zombie catches ko, Strawberry Bob ko, tapos sa Roblox King ko na uy, corner tayo lahat. Lo, corner tayo guys. Wala na. Okay, wait to get started. Sell any product to. Wala ko dyan. Manghuli muna ako ng zombie. Wala dyan. Okay, catchers. Congrats, you had been awarded. Just your first perfect token for the internet meaning of next week. Collect just 4 more tokens and the beauty. First rank. Hindi pa kailangan. Goodbye, everyone. Mga kaspeed.